Right, welcome back. We're going to do another autumnal video, heading over to the west coast, around the area of Appin, Port Appin, which is just north of Oban, on the west coast of Scotland. And colours are coming now, beautiful autumn colours. Thankfully we get to drive through Glencoe again. As you'll see, it's looking fantastic today. And the plan is really meet up with a couple of friends, go out for a bit of a paddle. As I say, the weather's good today, so we'll try and get round the Isle of Shuna. It's not a long paddle, but it's quite pretty, and we'll hopefully get round Castle Stalker. And then Saturday and Sunday the weather's looking a bit grim, so the plan there is really just play it by ear. I don't know if we'll go out both days. It really is looking a bit wild, but we can focus on coastal stuff and a bit more rolling practice. The boys can show us how they're getting on with their Greenland rolls, so no doubt we'll get an update on that. But until then, we'll enjoy the drive through Glencoe, and we'll catch up later on. Right, it's Friday. We're going to try and do a lap of Shuna this afternoon. Picked up a buddy who's doing his 4-star hopefully soon, so, or sea kayak leader. So he's going to lead us, which is good. So yeah, apparently we'll maybe see some otters around there. It's the calmest day for the next couple of days, so we'll just go out for a nice pootle around before we go for a few beers and see how we get on. But yeah, really calm, nice day considering it's the end of October. Any otters yet, boys?
Negative.
I think we were sold a pup.
That?
I think we were sold a pup. Finally managed to land on Shuna. It's actually quite a nice afternoon just now, so throwing the drone up, hopefully you'll see a wee bit of that. But yeah, out paddling down at the bottom end, so just round the bottom. Might go to Castle Stalker and have a pootle around that. But tide's coming back in, weather's great.
Real big. There's one day we think we Tom, it was that big, like he didn't want to go across the way, and we were like, we just keep going straight in, and then every time we got a gap in the weather.
So that was Castle Stalker. Some good aerial footage. Still really calm here. So we're heading back up to the car park. A couple of K up through the channel between Shuna and the mainland. Tide's with us, wind's with us. Should be easy enough.
So the right positions you'll be in. Yeah, so that one-handed roll, like the one-handed roll you have.
Yes! Here we are, back at Port Appin, so different day today. Might be fairly sheltered here, but it's pretty wild. Southerly, sort of 15, gusting almost 30 miles an hour. So we're going to have a launch and just have a fairly steady morning. We've got Ali and Ian with us today. And I think the plan is really just to head over to the top side of Lismore, scoot around some of the islands, do some rolling practice, avoid the wind a little bit, and yeah, probably not a massive day, but just dodging the weather really. So you can see the rain coming from the south, just a wall of water heading our way. Gone is summer, but winter paddling's back on the agenda now, so yeah, we'll see about the rolling later. It might be a tad chilly. Boys are keen though, so we'll film them. I might have a shot myself, keep in with it, but yeah, there's the wind picking up now. Fun and games. Don't know if you can see, but there's Shuna, where we were yesterday, behind the green boat. Maybe hard to see, but I'll throw in some footage just so you can see that again. It's a lovely, idyllic looking island though. Big private signs all over the beach where I stopped to throw the drone up, so I guess they don't like just random people camping there. This is a good bit for paddling. There's lots of different tidal flows, little nooks and crannies, little islands. And we had dinner in the restaurant back there, the Pier House, last night, which was really good. And a few beers, so can't complain. Picked up and it's not even wind against tide yet, so we decided to cut our losses and come back a little bit quicker, and we'll just pull around the coast over here. Get wet, I reckon. You what? Uh-oh. What's he doing? Yeah! Did you want to go first?
You're the main entertainment at the moment.
Hey?
You three are the main entertainment.
Ah. Yay! So close. So close.